Hello viewers, I welcome you to today's tutorial on Microsoft Word. My name is Daniel Obey and I want us to make use of an instructional material as a guide for us to understand better what Microsoft Word entails. So let's check out the Microsoft Word instructional material that will be useful for this tutorial. Okay. This material tries to explain the features or the components of Word 2010, Microsoft Word 2010. But never mind, it's still the same thing with this version. There are no much difference. This particular version of Word is a 2027 version, but there are no much differences. We'll explain better as time goes on. Okay, so as you can see, on this is the title bar. The title bar. Now comparing it with this is the title bar document or Microsoft Word. Okay, so whenever we save this document, the new name appears on this. With time we'll do that. Okay, the next one is the quick access toolbar. Okay, this is the quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar. These are the things embedded in it, in the new open, save, email, quick print, and so on. Okay, these open, save, undo, and redo that are ticked, they are the ones here. Okay, so that is that on the quick access toolbar. Now let's look at the word help. The word help with this question mark here, let's look at it in this our own version. This is it, the question mark. Are you saying Microsoft Office help? Okay, it can function online or offline, but now we're offline, so let's type what is bothering us. How to save a document. Okay, let's see what it will give us. Okay, there are options, but let's choose this, save a document in Word. So these, you can scroll down. Okay, save a document for the first time. The first one is on the quick access toolbar, which we discussed. Click save or press Ctrl plus S. This Ctrl plus S is on the keyboard, but for now we will make use of the one you are seeing on the screen. Then you type the name of the document and then click save. Okay, so come here, you click it. Okay, what is the name of the document? Let's name it tutorials on Word. Okay, you save. What appears on the title bar here becomes tutorials on Word. Okay, so that is the essence of this Word help. You can use it to ask various questions. When you're online, you can also use it to ask questions. Okay, it serves as a guide. Okay, the next one is the tabs. Okay, you have the tabs, the file tab, the active tab, and the group. Okay, so see, these are the tabs: home tab, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, and the view. All these tabs, they have groups. Like the home tab, this is the group for the home tab: clipboard, the font, the paragraph, the styles, and the editing. For the insert, you have the pages group, the tables group, illustrations group, links, and so on. Okay, the same thing with the page layout. You have different groups, and references, mailing, all these ones, they have their own groups. Okay, now in this same group there is an arrow, this arrow, this arrow, this arrow, and this arrow. It shows other functions of the group. Okay, in that tab, like now if you click it, you see other functions. Okay, if you click that of paragraph, you see other functions or commands, okay, which is useful for the Word document. same thing with this, and the same thing with this. Okay, so all of these in total are in the ribbon, what we call the ribbon. Now what is the ribbon? What is the ribbon? Here it says the ribbon is task oriented and groups related functions into tabs. Within each tab, commands are clustered into groups. Several groups include an arrow button. You can click for more options. Remember, we said in our groups there are arrow buttons which you see more options, which we have done before. Now let's look at the insertion, the ruler. Okay, these are the insertion point. This is the insertion, this off and on stroke, so you can use it and just type something like the Lord is good. Okay, the Lord is good, is good. Okay, okay, you can use it to type something like that. So that is that on that, the insertion. So these are the rulers here and here. So let's start with this one. This one you can use it to adjust it up or adjust it down. Okay, while this one you can use it to adjust your document, move like this or move like that. Okay, when it comes to numbering, you see the effect proper. Okay, you drag, the one goes. If you want the one to have more space, okay, are you seeing? So that's how the ruler functions. So that is that on the ruler. As you proceed further, you understand how to make use of the ruler. Then let's look at the scroll bars and the page down. So this is the scroll bar, this is the scroll bar, and this is the page up and the page down arrow. It will, you will understand it better when this document is more than one page. Okay, now we're in the second page. Now if you look at it here, page 2 of 2. Okay, so if I click this, are you seeing it goes to the previous page, which is page 1? If I click this, it goes to the second page, which is page 2. Now what component again are we to look at? Let's look at the zoom slider and the status bar. Okay, this is the zoom slider, this is the zoom slider. Use it to zoom your work either closer or to make it smaller for you to, anyhow you use it to zoom. Then the next one is the status bar. The status bar, as you can see it here, this is the status bar. Okay, so status bar is indicating 2 of 2. The word is 5. Then this is the print layout. You can make it double page if you want on the screen, and that is that on that. That is that on that. And I want to encourage you to do more practicals on your own leisure time to understand better how to make use of the Microsoft Word. Please don't forget to like or to subscribe on this YouTube channel. Subscribe, share, and comment on the tutorials. I remain Daniel Obeyi, and I thank you for taking your time to listen to these tutorials. Have a wonderful day.